Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Speaking Lesson. I am Amna Hashmi. Alright, before we move towards our today's lesson, let's see what we have learned in our previous lesson. So, in previous lesson, we learned counting from 16 to 20 in Urdu and some vocabulary words. I hope you have learned them well. If you want to watch that lesson again, you can always go and watch lesson 16. The link is in the description of this video. Alright, now let's see how to say Sunday in Urdu. Sunday is one of the days of the week. In English, we say Sunday, and in Urdu, Itwar. Itwar. Repeat many times for practice. Alright. Okay, let's see. We say is for singular things when we are talking in English. And in Urdu we say hai. In English we say is, and in Urdu hai. Then for plurals or more than one things, we say are. And in Urdu, we say hain. In English, for more than one things, we say or use the word are. And in Urdu, hain. Just do remember this, okay? Now let's learn some vocabulary words, okay? The yummy fruits. In English we say fruit, and in Urdu phal. Phal. In English we say like. When you like something, you say I like it. So to like in Urdu is pasand. Pasand. Now let's repeat one more time. Fruit in English, and in Urdu, phal. Then to like in English, and in Urdu, pasand. Repeat many times for practice, okay? Alright, let's learn some fruits names in Urdu. Banana. In English we say banana, and in Urdu kela. Kela. Apple. In English we say apple, and in Urdu seb. Seb. Orange. In English we say orange, and in Urdu Malta. Malta. Let's repeat one more time. Banana in English, and in Urdu kela. Apple in English, and in Urdu seb. Orange in English, and in Urdu Malta. Repeat many times for practice, okay? Alright, let's learn a few more fruit names. Alright? So, mango. In English we say mango, and in Urdu aam. Then you can see another fruit here. In English we say watermelon, and in Urdu tarboos. Tarboos. Let's repeat one more time. In English mango, and in Urdu aam. In English watermelon, and in Urdu tarboos. So repeat many times for practice. Alright. let's learn to say I like. So whatever you like, you are going to say that. So let's talk about the fruits, okay? So when you are telling that you like something, in English we say I like. So if it is an apple, then you say I like apple. And in Urdu, मुझे से पसंद है. Remember, to like is pasand. So in English we say I like apple. And in Urdu, how do we say that? We say मुझे सेब पसंद है. मुझे सेब पसंद है. Alright, how about we want to say I don't like? How about you want to say we don't like something? So we want to say I don't like. So let's just, for example, talk about apple, okay? You can say this about anything, whatever thing you like or whatever you think you don't like. So how do we say I don't like apple? In English we say that, and in Urdu we say मुझे सेब पसंद नहीं है. I don't like apple. मुझे सेब पसंद नहीं है. Now let's repeat these sentences one more time. I like apple. In English we say that, and in Urdu it is मुझे सेब पसंद है. And as I said, you can talk about anything that you like, and this is how you're going to say. Alright? And then when you don't like something and you want to talk about that, then you're going to say I don't like apple. In Urdu it is मुझे सेब पसंद नहीं है. So repeat many times for practice, okay? And revise everything learned in this lesson. So this is the end of our today's lesson. I will meet with you again and with something more interesting, inshallah. Take care of yourself till next time. Allah Hafiz.